We at Travel to Teach organised a restoration camp at the Nongkhai School just outside of the small town of Nongkhai in the poor north-eastern region of Thailand. The school was really run down and the authorities wanted to close it. They called a town meeting to announce this, but when they met us and saw what we were doing, they soon changed their minds. The school is still open and we still teach there and continue with the upkeep of the school during the summer holidays to this day. During our first restoration camp, we fixed the electricity and the water, we painted inside and out, we fixed their toilets and we restored the children's playground. When the camp was over, the community wanted to throw a big thank you party for us. They held a traditional Thai good luck ceremony named a Baisee for us in the morning. The children and the volunteers performed songs such as Old MacDonald at lunchtime, and we then sang songs and played different games in the afternoon. In the evening, the volunteers performed for the locals, singing and dancing to popular songs of the time, such as Spice Girls, and some golden oldies too, such as I Will Survive. How very appropriate. We at Travel to Teach would like to say a big thank you to all the volunteers that took part in this restoration camp, and to all the volunteers that continually come and help out at this wonderful and inspiring small school.